We were recently gifted this 360-degree swivel recliner chair. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to put together. It is probably the easiest recliner I've ever seen to be able to put together. It only comes in two pieces. That's number one right here, and this is number two. And you'll see it comes with two slots. Again, this is the back of the chair, and then it comes with a flap that you'll put over the back and attach and cover up the hardware with Velcro. It's so easy. Let me show you how easy it is. One person job in my opinion. Of course you can have two, but you'll see it's so easy one person can do it. Here we go. All right, so you take the chair, swivel it around, two slots in the back. And then very easily line up the slots, and there you go. You are on. You then use the Velcro covered up in the back. Smooth, easy. Swivels around. Here is where you're going to hit the recline. Very nice. Rocks nicely back and forth. And when you want to, right there is the button to be able to really push back and relax. How easy is that? And then when you're done, you just push and you're back. Move it all the way around, use it as a rocker. I'll show you a little bit as far as some of the close-ups about it and let you know what I think, but I think you know what I'm going to think. I really like this one. Now here it is close up. Very soft material. Nice detailing on the sides. The back again has that flap, so it covers things nicely. And then as far as just so you get an idea of the dimensions, you can see where we are there. Say about, somewhere around 2021. Then you can see across here as well. Yeah, somewhere around 31, 32. And this is nice and high. As you can see where that comes out. Nice and high. So I really enjoy this one. So if you are looking for something that is easy to assemble, again, that is the biggest thing. It is so easy. No screws or anything to be able to use. Reclines well and goes 360-degree rotation and is really comfortable. I would highly recommend.